Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I am Dr. Claudia Albers, Planet X research and professional physicist. And today I'd like to bring to you another one of my articles. This one's entitled Planet X Covered Up by the Moon Hologram in the Earth's Atmosphere. Now, figure 1 below shows what appears to be a bright moon crescent wrapped around a dark spherical shape. The crescent does not coincide with the dark spherical shape, though. You can see it there. And does not therefore seem to be a part of it. Since the moon in Earth's sky seems to now be the result of a holographic projection, you may look at the article 504 entitled The Moon Hologram and Holographic Projection Technology Disclosure, which is to be expected as the sun is no longer shining and the moon can only be seen if there is light for its surface to reflect from the sun. And you may look at article 536 entitled Was the Sun Already Not Shining by 1998. So the moon crescent is expected to be inside the Earth's atmosphere. There's the moon crescent. You can see it doesn't quite coincide with the object. That if you follow the circle, it will be like that. So this object cannot be part of this. If you follow this, the outline of the circle, it would end here somewhere. So it's obviously they do not coincide. They're not part of the same object. And so the moon crescent is expected to be inside the Earth's atmosphere because nowadays all we see of the moon is actually a hologram. And since it seems to be wrapped around the object too must be in the Earth's atmosphere. So here we have a bright moon crescent wrapped around a dark spherical object. The object, though, is not black, but seems to be gray and may thus be covered in cloud, as Planet X system stellar cores are expected to be. And you can see it does have some fluffiness to it, which may be due to the cloud. And these stellar cores are supposed to be covered in cloud when they enter the Earth's atmosphere. And for more details on that, you may look at article 529 entitled Planet X Debris Field and Water Clouds. Now, the object therefore seems to be a Planet X system stellar core within the Earth's atmosphere. A holographic projection of the moon is being used in an attempt to cover up the object's presence, but it was not quite successful. The spot of light on the left-hand side of the object is most likely part of the moon projection, which was blocked by some feature on the object, thus causing it to appear on the left rather than on the right of the object. And you can see that there. So that's possibly part of this, of the moon. And now here, what we have is a holographic projection of the moon. It's clearly a holographic projection of the moon. And this comes from a video by the YouTube channel Cliff481 entitled Planes Flying Through the Moon 2. And this plane is seen in his video flying right across. And when he gets to the left-hand side, the moon develops glitches because obviously the projector was on the left-hand side and the airplane interrupts the projection. Possibly in front of the moon, but more to the left. And when that happens, the light from the projector seems to be draped across part of the airplane. And the whole moon along here, along the line where at about the same height as the plane. Obviously the projector is at about the same level as the moon and the plane in the atmosphere. The glitches develop right across from side to side. There's part of that glitch there. And as the plane flies further away from the moon, the glitches continue. So it's still interrupting the beam that is projecting this moon in the sky. And you can see that there. You can see the glitches there. And it's moving further away there. And this, of course, is to be expected because, as I have said in many articles, the sun is no longer shining. And therefore, there's no light to reflect off the moon. And you may look at article 500 entitled The Sun is No Longer Shining Review for more details on that. So the moon hologram in figure 2 here seems to be about 5 times larger diameter-wise than the airplane. And now a typical passenger airplane would be expected to be about 50 feet in length, which means that this moon has a diameter of about 250 feet. Since the object in the sky in figure 1 seems to have a similar diameter to the moon, it would be about 200 feet in diameter as well. And this means that it is a very small Planet X system stellar core, and most likely the core of what was once a small moon. So in conclusion, a photograph of a very strange moon in the sky reveals a Planet X system stellar core inside the Earth's atmosphere of about 250 feet in diameter. An attempt seemed to have been made to hide the object by superimposing a holographic projection of a moon crescent upon it. And these are the references. This is Dr. Claudia Albers, Planet X physicist. Thank you for watching.